drum roll, drum roll. I will be cooking cocina. I'm cooking cocina tonight. We have breadcrumbs. We have chicken stock. We have peppers, and then we have onions. And we also have garlic. There's a lot of stuff. So first I need to cut the onions and peppers and stuff, and I need to let it saute in the pan. I feel like I'm like doing a cooking class. Cooking with Miku. Cooking with Miku. Hey. All right, we got the knife. Guys, I'm gonna start crying, bro. These onions are gonna make me cry. Goodness. Let's see if I can make this in an hour, chat. Sorry, I'm not a mincer, guys, so I'm just gonna, I think we're good. Okay, we're putting everything in here. The onions, oh my gosh. What's going on? Bro, okay, we're good. Okay. The pasta dancing in the microwave? The pasta dancing in the microwave! So first things first, I have to put this on the stove and let it heat up. So I need to let this heat up because I'll put the peppers in there. Oh, I forgot the garlic. I forgot the garlic. Dude, garlic smells so bad. I've never cut like a garlic like this before. Dude, this is grossing me out. I don't like how it looks. Like, it genuinely is grossing me out, bro. I don't like it. Like, ew. I'm not even gonna use the garlic. I'm sorry. I'm gonna use garlic powder. Garlic phobia. Okay, let me get the chicken. Use 2 forks. It'll be easier. Okay. Oh, I see what you mean. It is easier. Okay, I feel like a professional cook right now. This is so, like, better. Okay, yeah, I shredded it up. It's pretty good. Okay, this is the hard part. Okay, I'm putting this on here. I'm gonna let that saute for a little bit. And then I think I add the chicken inside here so that it cooks with the chicken soon. I wish I could show you Twilight, but I don't want to get cat hair all over my hands. Wait, I can show you guys Twilight. Twilight! No, you're too close to me. He came to me instead of the camera. My sweet angel. Tori, the drink is guarana. I have guarana and I have soju. I'm mixing them together.
Garama!
I think this is enough meat because I'm only making like 3 of them. Let's pray Tori doesn't burn down her apartment. Let's not put that on the universe, guys. Let's not put that in the universe. Okay, I think it's warm enough. Now we will be adding the chicken to the peppers. Okay, so now we're mixing the peppers and the chicken together. This is the filling for inside the cocina. I have the dough right here, so I just unroll this and flatten it like a cocina shape. Oh, okay, that's not too hard, right? To me, it's not that spicy. I like to cook all my meat with this, like chicken. Okay, I'm gonna put like a snitch because I love spicy stuff. I like spices, so I'm gonna put like a little bit of cayenne pepper in it. Just a smidge, yeah. This is actually smelling really good too. Ooh, I'm actually excited. This is smelling pretty good. All right, guys, I think it's time to start the dough. So I have the dough here, and then I think I just put it in the dough. I think it's that simple, right? Oh, it's got the cheese! So it says I'm supposed to also make it with cream cheese. I'm supposed to combine the cream cheese with the rotisserie chicken. Okay, I'm gonna combine it with the chicken. I don't know if I wanted to use cream cheese, but I was like, whatever, I guess. Because it said it in the recipe. Oh yeah, it's a lot creamier now. Oh yeah, this is way better. I wanna bring this back in the pan. I need this to get creamy as well. Okay, let me put this inside the dough now. I think this is too much. I can't make the shape. It's so hard to make the shape. Oh, it looks like a dumpling. It's a dumpling. I lied, guys. I'm making dumplings tonight. We're making dumplings. I think this is the best it's gonna get. Let's make another one. Cocina! Guys, like, this is so much harder than I expected it to be. I thought it was gonna be a piece of cake. I'm just a little afraid for what's gonna happen once I fry this. I'm a little afraid. Okay, guys, this is the best it's gonna get. This is my second cochinilla. I have 2 here. It looks a little deformed, but it's okay. It'll get better soon. Wait, no, this is actually kind of good. This one is pretty good. The shape is pretty good. I think I'm only gonna make 4. I think I have enough for 4. Like, it's so loud. Okay, 3. One more. I think this is my best one yet. Okay, guys, we have 4 cochinillas. 4 cochinillas. Now, this is probably the hardest part. I have to fry them. I'm nervous, like I'm so scared. I have to deep fry these. So I had to put egg yolk on each of them, and then breadcrumbs, and then fry them in the pan. I'm so scared, I'm so nervous. Whisk the eggs. Hold on, I could bring you guys closer. You guys are gonna be able to see 2 POVs now. Hey, that's cool, okay. Coat the cochinilla in egg yolk and panko breadcrumbs, then preheat the cooking oil over medium. Yeah, it needs oil, guys. The oil. Okay, I'm gonna put the oil in the pot. This is the scary part, guys. Ah! Guys, is this enough? So I'm gonna put the cochinilla in the, is it the yolk first? Yeah, it's the yolk and then breadcrumbs. Let's do it, guys, let's go. I guess I just drop it in. Yeah, get it all oiled up. Yay, we're gonna make it nice and crunchy. The crunchiest cochinilla you've ever seen, okay? Gosh, oh, it looks like a chicken wing. It looks like a chicken wing. All right, let's do the second one. And we put it in here. Okay, last cochinilla. Oh, this one's kind of long. It's kind of hard to do it. Ew, it's so slimy. Okay, guys, it's time. I think the oil is hot. These are the cochinillas. Pretty good shape. This one's kind of messed up, but I can't fix it because it's too big. Let's put the cochinilla in the fry. I'm so scared. This is gonna be popping me, bro. This is about to pop me all the way. I'm like barely wearing anything, bro. My belly out, my arms, my legs. Ah! Okay, it's kind of not as crispy as I want it to be. I'm about to add some more egg crumbs. Okay, yeah, I'm doing double coat now because I don't like how that one does. Oh, I made a mess. Ah! Oh my God. Ah! I think we're okay. I don't want my fire alarm to go off, bro. I don't want my fire alarm. Ah! Okay, that heat was way too high. I'm turning this down. This is traumatizing. I'm thinking about my life choices right now, guys. We're good. We're good. Okay, first cochinilla is done. Wait, it's crumbling. It's crumbling. Ah! Okay, the first cochinilla is falling apart. It actually fell apart. It fell apart, guys. Oh shoot, I can't even pick it up. I'm just gonna like roll it on here. Ugh, damn. I'm not gonna lie, this is so bad. Who wants some cochinilla? You want some? You want some cochinilla? It's okay, it was the first one, guys. At least you're trying. I told you guys, I do not deep fry food because I'm scared of oil. Oil scares me, guys. Wait, this one, I think this is the one. Wait, this one's not falling apart. Ooh, this one, guys. I'm not gonna lie, this might be the one. Hey, I'm doing my happy dance. I'm happy. I'm about to eat good. And you guys don't believe me, but I'm gonna prove you wrong because this one's looking good. This one's gonna be the one. This cochinilla is the chosen. Yes, this is the chosen cochinilla. It's the chosen one. Ooh, it's looking good. Guys, it's looking good. Oh my God, it's gold. It's crisp brown. It's like a golden brown. Oh my God. Ah! Okay, this is it. We did it. We have made the perfect cochinilla. This is for all of those who didn't believe in me. This is for all my haters. I made it. I'll make the other two. Bruh, what is going on? Why does my stove burn so fast? I think I'm making it worse. Okay, so we have the failed cochinilla. The failed one is right here. And then we have the very beautiful pointy one that stood tall and it's very crispy. Ah, look how crispy that is. I know you see the crisp, like, come on. It's kind of like not the exact shape, but like for my first time, it's there. It's time to try. Okay, we're gonna try the messed up one. Okay, wait, let's try it myself. This is crunchy. This is really good. Even the messed up one is good, guys. Okay, let me try the pretty one. So I'm gonna clip this before I destroy this coxina. Someone clip my work of art. Clip it. My work of art. I worked hard on this beautiful, I don't even wanna eat it. I just wanna have it on display. I'm so excited. Let's eat coxina from the top. Let's do it. It's so crunchy. My God. Oh yeah, it's good, it's good, it's good. That's my happy dance. I'm so happy, that tastes good. The only thing I would say is I should have added more cheese. The breadcrumbs are perfect. I'm glad I like double coated the breadcrumbs. Maybe next time I'll add, what's it called? Potatoes. I know some people add potatoes to theirs, but it was like really good. It was great. It cooked 1,000 portions for us, oh God. Yeah, we did it. The first one was bad, but we made it up. We did good for the second one, you know. You know, first time is never gonna go perfect, but the second time was really good. So I'm very happy about that. Hey, hey, hey.